Hey everyone, we just added LED whip lights from Nilight to the General. We wanted to do a quick review, a little bit of the installation of how we went about it. This kit that they send has the dual whip lights. We added our flags to it. They're the nicer kind. They have the spiral, so you get more lights than some of the ones that just have the straight light going up it. These are already connected together, so you just have to run the one wire all the way to the front. It came with the rocker switch. The only thing we had to add was a relay to the front, so we have a fuse with it, and then also some additional wire to get it all the way to the front of the machine. It does come with some wire that we tucked up under the back here. So we chose to run it here across the back and then tuck it up under there, and then from there we added our own wire. We went this route to keep it away from the exhaust. You know, there's different routes you can go, but we put it down through this hole into the little kind of fender well through there, following it down, and then just ran it up underneath the machine. All the way coming through there, if you can see that white wire coming through, and then just went through the front of the machine to the rocker switch. Then from there it came out through the front to the relay to tie into the power. So that's kind of the wiring that we did. So far it's been a real fun add-on. The boys really enjoy. Comes with the remote to change the colors, all different kinds. And then this setup also has the spring here. Some of them are just solid into that base. I mean, it's the removable base, but it's solid, no spring. And you know, they're plenty flexible without the spring, but so far with the spring it's been nice. We've hit a few trees on the trails. I'll show one example right now. Where it hits the tree and kind of deflects backwards, but when it rebounds, it doesn't rebound too far forward. Only one time have we had it where it came all the way forward and hit the cab. Otherwise, when it goes back and it rebounds, it stays there. We were a little concerned at first. We had tipped it all the way back and had to come forward, and we thought, oh, maybe I don't like the springs, but they're actually pretty stiff. We just left a little slack so it has enough room to go backwards. And then again, enough slack with the bed tilted that it wouldn't pull out. So far they've been great. It's fun to ride at night. Having the whip lights on, you can change them, and we ride with groups oftentimes, and so we'll change it up as we ride through the woods, and you know who's who based on what lights they have. So we've put them on a lot of our machines there. So thanks for watching. Again, those are the Nilight whip lights.